Just wanted to help you solve problem number 13 on the homework. I got a lot of emails about this and just wanted to help you out. So if we look at it, the table shows the features that you can choose from as you pay as you go. There are 4 different options. You can pick a phone, the features, the calling area, or the talk time. Okay, so to solve this, I would put out 4 different lines. Okay, it says how many phone plans have national long distance. That's the only thing we're worried about, the long distance. It doesn't matter anything else about the options. So if I look at the phone, how many options do I have for the phone? I have 2 options. I can either get brand A, right, or brand B. So I'm going to plug a 2 in there. Okay, next it says features. Email only, paging only deluxe, paging and email. Again, we're not concerned. We can have any of those. We only are concerned with long distance. So here I'm going to put 3 options for features. Okay. Next, for calling area. Here's where we're concerned with. Here it says long distance. Okay. Now, I have to have long distance. So if I look at local only, does that have long distance? No. So I can't have that one. The second one says local and regional. Again, not national long distance. I can't have that one. Lastly, I finally get the national long distance. That's the only one I have to have. So in this case, I'm going to put a 1. And next, I have the monthly talk time. Again, I have 3 options. It doesn't matter how many minutes those consist of because I just want the national long distance. So here I'm going to plug in a 3. And just like with any other ones, we multiplied. Okay, we multiplied. So if I multiply 2 times 3, I would get 6. 6 times 1 would still be 6. 6 times 3 would give me 18 plans. So 18 plans would give me national long distance. Okay. So now if I go scroll to part B, again, so what am I looking for here? Here I'm trying to figure out how many plans have 100 minutes per month and paging capabilities. So 2 things I'm looking for, 100 minutes and paging capabilities. Just like with part A, I'm going to plug my 4 lines in. Again, one's for phone, features, calling area, and then monthly talk time. So I start again with phone, 2 brands. It's not telling me it cares if it's brand A or B. Doesn't matter. I'm just looking for 100 minutes and paging capabilities. So again, I'm going to plug in a 2. Next, I go to features. Okay, the first one has email only. Well, that doesn't work. I want paging. Next, it has paging only deluxe. That works. I can have that. That has paging option. And the last one's paging and email. Both of those have paging. So how many have the paging capabilities? 2. So that's what I'm going to plug in for the second one. Now, calling area. It doesn't matter. I'm not worried about the calling area. That's not 100 minutes per month or paging. So I can plug in all 3 options. The first one, I could only put 1 in because I wanted long distance. For this next one, for part B, it doesn't matter. It can have 3. And then lastly, the monthly talk time. Again, this one matters. I want 100 minutes. So there's 3 options, but how many have 100 minutes? Only 1. So I'm going to plug in a 1 at the end. And just like part A, we multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 1 would give me the 12 plans. I hope that somewhat made sense. I also had a question on number 4. So to go back up to number 4, okay, the store offers running shoes with either extra stability or extra cushioning from 4 different manufacturers. Again, there's 2 things I'm looking at. We have the support with either stability or cushioning, right? And the 4 different manufacturers. That could be Nike, Under Armour, New Balance, whatever, right? So we have 2 different things we're looking for. This we have the manufacturers, and we have the support. So now, what do we have? How many options for support? Well, we have stability and cushioning. That's 2 options. Okay, then we have 4 different manufacturers, so we plug in the 4. And again, just like before, we multiply to get 8 different types. Oops, I was going to write times. I don't know why. Types. Again, that could be stability with Nike, stability with Adidas, stability with your Vans, whatever, right? Or I could have cushioning and Nike, cushioning and Adidas, however it goes, but there's going to be 8 total types. If you have any other questions on those, please let me know, but hopefully that helped answer some of those questions. I'll talk to you soon, guys. Take care.